What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a special kind of video. I'm going to be doing a cash stuffing video, but not my cash. Today my son is coming on to do his first cash stuffing video. This is his savings box, y'all, and of course this box is going to be offered on my website. Well, it's already being offered on my website at calculated.bigcartel.com. So we're going to go ahead and get into this video. Let him show you what you got. Let him show you what he has, and that's that. So I'm gonna introduce you, Junior. Come on and show your hands.
Hi.
Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and open it up and show them.
Okay, wait, is this way open?
Yes. Open it up. Okay. So we're going to flip it around, right?
Yeah.
All right. So go ahead and talk to them. Tell them how much you stuff in a day.
Okay. So on Roblox.
Tell them how much the total amount.
Oh, okay. I'm stuffing $48.
Okay. So go ahead and lay your money out.
Okay. Okay, I got it out now. Okay. So I'm going to be counting the money. Okay. 20.
Put it here when you count it.
Oh, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48.
Okay, so how much are we stuffing today?
$48.
Okay.
20 score right here.
Okay.
5 score right here. And for my low fives.
Okay.
And on my 1 score right here.
Okay, hold on. Let me move it up just a little bit so you're in frame. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. Let's tell them how it's going to go, and let's tell them what we're doing.
Okay, so Roblox is getting $6.
What is it getting? A what?
A 5 and a 1.
Okay. Okay. Bring it over.
Now we're on birthdays. Now birthday is getting $5.
Okay. Got it?
Yeah, I think.
You got it a little crooked, that's why.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, now next we're on Eating Out. Okay, Eating Out is getting $7.
Tell them what you're putting in there.
$7.
What though?
Okay, 1 5 and 2 1s.
You have to make sure it's straight.
Yeah.
Here.
Next we on Christmas. Christmas is getting $20. It's this one. Okay. Saving is getting.
No, not saving.
I mean, spending.
Which is shopping on your envelope.
Yeah.
It's getting how much?
It's getting $8. Yeah, $8.
No, actually, you're supposed to put 8 into saving. Spending is getting 5. Do your 5, and you're gonna have to go back and
make another one. I think.
Okay, so go back to savings. You have that. You have this. Eating out. Savings. You need to put your
1.
How you get so many more dollars? You still got 5. Did you miss something? Yes, you did. You didn't do birthdays.
Oh, wait.
Go to birthdays.
Oh yeah, sure dang it.
That's where it go at. So birthdays getting how much? Count and make sure that's 5. Count it and make sure it's 5. Take your hand off of this.
Yeah, that's 5.
Okay.
Okay.
Birthdays.
Okay, yeah, birthdays.
You need help. Okay, you got to make sure it's all together because you had it all crinkly. Here, now try.
Okay.
Let me help you with this one because it's a lot of bills.
Yeah.
And this is your first time putting these in here, so it may be a little difficult for you. Okay, so
I did all mine.
Alright, so guys, this box is available on calculated.
To the 2. Oh.
calculated.bigcartel.com. It's available. It comes with 5 cash envelopes included.
Yeah.
And this is what we're doing, guys. So go over to the shop and check it out. I have a discount code on there right now for 10% off. It's birthday. And that's that, y'all. So comment down below. Let me know how you think he did on his first cash stuffing video. We're going to come to you weekly with these videos. So he's going to be a part of the team.
Yeah.
Right?
And yeah, I'm going to be on... I got a YouTube channel too.
Okay, he got a YouTube channel too. So do you want to tell him the name of your YouTube channel?
It's named Ria Riffic.
Ria Riffic is the name of his channel.
And I got TikTok, and I got TikTok account too.
Okay, but we're talking about YouTube. Okay, so his YouTube channel name is Ria Riffic. I'll post it down below. And also,
I got TikTok account.
Oh my goodness, Junior, we're not talking about TikTok. We're talking about YouTube. Okay, so I'll post his YouTube channel down below, and also I'll see, I'm getting distracted. Anyways, I'm gonna post his channel down below. I'm gonna post the site's what is this called? The link for this item down below. And guys, like I say, we do have a 10% discount going on right now with code birthday because it is my birthday month, and we're just gonna go ahead and ride out for the birthday month. Okay, so with that being said, Junior, you gotta tell him bye.
Bye,
see you later. See you next week because he's coming back every week with his cash stuffing. So
yeah.
Let me know how you like the video. Let me know how you like the box. Let me know what you think. Let me know. Just let me know, okay? Everything.
Like every last thing.
Every last thing. Okay, so with that being said, thank you for coming back to my channel. If you have been supporting me all this time, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like, share this video. Also, drop some comments down below. And since we are doing this first cash stuffing video, what emoji are we going to drop today?
The blue emoji.
The blue?
Yeah.
Blue heart? Okay, we're dropping blue hearts for the emoji today to let me know that you made it to this end of the video. And with that being said, IG shop calculated
To the T.
Okay, we're just going to end this video now.
Yeah.
Bye, y'all.
Bye, guys.
I need to see your hands.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay.